Choosing the right windows for your West Jordan home is an important decision that will impact not only your home's aesthetic appeal but also its energy efficiency, comfort, and security. Whether you are replacing old windows or installing new ones in a newly built home, it's essential to make an informed choice. With various options available, selecting the perfect windows can feel overwhelming. To help you make the best decision, here's a guide on how to choose the right windows for your West Jordan home. Consider the climate and energy efficiency. West Jordan experiences a semi-arid climate, with cold winters and hot summers, making energy efficiency a key consideration. In such a climate, it's essential to choose windows that help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures and reduce heating and cooling costs. Look for windows with the following energy-efficient features. Double or triple pane glass. These windows have multiple layers of glass with insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, between the panes. This insulation helps to prevent heat loss in the winter and blocks heat from entering in the summer. Low E coatings. Low emissivity, low E coatings reflect heat back inside during winter and keep your home cooler during summer by blocking UV rays. Energy Star certification. Choosing windows that are Energy Star certified ensures they meet specific energy performance standards and help reduce your energy consumption. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you can lower utility bills, create a more comfortable living environment, and reduce your carbon footprint. Think about the window style. The style of your windows can dramatically affect both the look and functionality of your home. West Jordan homes come in a variety of architectural styles, from traditional to modern, and choosing windows that complement your home's design is important. Here are a few window styles to consider. Double-hung windows. A popular choice for traditional homes, these windows allow you to open both the top and bottom sashes for better ventilation and ease of cleaning. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward, providing excellent ventilation. They are perfect for modern or contemporary homes and offer superior energy efficiency. Sliding windows. These windows are easy to operate and are ideal for homes with limited space. Sliding windows are great for contemporary and industrial-style homes. Bay or bow windows. If you want to add architectural interest and a little extra space to a room, consider bay or bow windows, which extend outward from your home and offer stunning views. Choose the window style that best fits your home's architecture, needs for ventilation, and aesthetic preferences. Durability and maintenance. The material of your windows plays a major role in their durability and maintenance requirements. Different window materials offer varying benefits. Vinyl windows. Vinyl is a popular choice due to its low maintenance, durability, and affordability. It's resistant to the elements, won't peel or rot, and doesn't require painting. Fiberglass windows. These windows offer excellent insulation and are highly resistant to temperature changes. They require minimal maintenance and are incredibly durable. Wood windows. While they offer a classic and elegant look, wood windows require more maintenance to prevent rotting and warping due to exposure to moisture and the elements. Aluminum windows. Aluminum windows are lightweight and durable, but they may not be as energy efficient as other materials, as they tend to conduct heat and cold. Choose a window material that fits your maintenance preferences and the climate conditions in West Jordan. Security features. Your windows also play a crucial role in your home's security. When selecting new windows, make sure to prioritize security features, such as multi-point locking systems. These systems secure the window at multiple points, making it harder for intruders to break in. Impact-resistant glass. For additional protection, consider windows with laminated or tempered glass, which are harder to break than standard glass. Reinforced frames. Look for windows with sturdy frames that can withstand force and prevent easy entry. Choosing windows with security features will give you peace of mind and help protect your home and family. Consider noise reduction. If you live in a busy area or near a high-traffic street in West Jordan, you may experience noise pollution that disrupts your peace and quiet. In this case, soundproof windows or energy-efficient windows with sound-dampening properties can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. Double-pane windows with thicker glass and air gaps between panes are ideal for reducing external noise and providing a more peaceful indoor environment. Budget considerations. Finally, consider your budget when choosing windows. While energy-efficient windows and high-quality materials may have a higher upfront cost, they provide long-term savings through lower energy bills and minimal maintenance. It's essential to balance cost and long-term benefits to ensure you make the best investment for your home. Conclusion. Choosing the right windows for your West Jordan home. Selecting the right windows for your West Jordan home involves considering several factors, including energy efficiency, style, durability, and security. With the right windows, you can improve comfort, lower utility bills, and enhance the beauty of your home. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consult with a local window professional to explore your options and find the best windows that suit your style, climate needs, and budget. Investing in high-quality windows will increase your home's value, improve comfort, and help you save money in the long run.